Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where day 16 of the Onsen Egg Hunt is, as well as where the bubble is in Heartopia. This is the last day. So from this area, turn to the right, walk straight, and behind this rock, you'll see the last egg. Here is where it is on the map. And again, as per usual, take a picture with it. Yay, last one. Okay. And I'm just going to press on it. You'll get a phone call from Nadia as well. But yeah, the bubble. But yeah, next is where the bubble is. So I think it's close actually. So I'll be right back when I find the bubble. Oh, also don't forget to go back here and claim the prize, which is the onsen egg recipe. Okay, so the last bubble is located here. It is here on the map. And the flawless fluorite is also here if you want to get it. So just going to wait for it to come around here and I'm just going to get it. And that is it. That is the last one. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!